Welcome to my channel How to Tutorial Guide. In this video I will show you how to install Google Play Store on your PC, step by step. Go to Google and type BlueStacks. Click on the first one. Now download BlueStacks 10. Open Download and click on Run. Now click on Install Now. Now wait for the installation to complete. It will take a couple of minutes. The installation is finally completed. Go to App Player. Go to System Apps. Click on Play Store and sign in. And that's it. Now you can use Google Play Store to run all the apps and games on your PC or laptop. I hope this step-by-step video helped you with how to install Google Play Store on your PC or laptop. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content just like this.